Polly Speaks for You, Key Features Overview. 1. Drop-down menus. Intuitive drop-down menus allow for easy navigation throughout the application. 2. Large font menu items. Enhanced visibility with large font options, promoting accessibility for users with visual impairments. 3. Voice and text-aided help instructions. Step-by-step assistance provided through both voice and text. 4. TTS Voice Integration. Supports all installed text-to-speech voices on the user's PC, ensuring compatibility and flexibility. 5. Accessibility tools. Includes a customized zoom bar and an HD background changer to enhance readability and comfort. 6. Large Cognitive Suggestion Wordlist. Offers a vast list of word suggestions to aid in cognitive tasks and writing. 7. Microsoft Word Spelling and Grammar Checker Integration. Provides robust grammar and spell check functionality, underlining errors for easy correction. 8. 2. Command click functionality. Special actions can be performed with a single click, streamlining tasks. 9. Cognitive sentence building support. Assists users with sentence structure and complex word recognition for clearer communication. 10. Advanced Document Editor. Combines modern graphic design with voice-to-text and text-to-speech capabilities for a seamless editing experience. 11. Loaded with accessibility applications. Offers a range of features designed to improve user experience for individuals with cognitive and physical challenges. 12. Customizable accessibility tool panels. Floating and hideable panels that can be tailored to the user's preferences. 13. Multiple save formats. Supports RTF, PDF, image, and MP3 formats, enhancing file compatibility and versatility. 14. Optical character recognition. OCR converts images containing text into editable text format. 15. Mind mapping. Organize ideas visually with zoom bar controls and text-to-speech integration. 16. Voice command control. Commander users can control the program through voice commands for hands-free operation. 17. Voice dictation. Allows users to input text via voice recognition, reducing typing effort. 18. Talking calculator. A voice-enabled calculator for performing mathematical operations. 19. Shakespearean and Chaucerian translator. Transforms modern English text into 17th century or 13th century English styles. 20. Readability suggestions. Provides suggestions to improve text clarity, coherence, and readability. Polly Speaks for You is designed to enhance both productivity and accessibility, offering cutting-edge tools for users of all needs and skill levels.